Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna take you on my early morning routine on my farm. We are raise some goat and also plant some pumpkins and corn. So enjoy the tour with Fire Reid on the farm. Blessings. So I know I'm a farmer, so normally I plant pumpkin, different type of catch crops and stuff. But normally I plant a lot of pumpkins. So some of the time we have some waste pumpkin, you can't make it go to waste. So normally I use it to feed all the goats. So yeah man, so I'm gonna farm something. Yeah man, so it's nothing like the country life, you know. And sometimes we use like the crack corn. Yeah man, so we use the crack corn same way and feed the goat them same way, mixed with some gura, some goat feed and stuff. Yeah man, nothing like the country life, you know. Yeah man, you know, so the tree there so good for them, call it soursop tree. Yeah man, good for cancer and everything. So in the early morning or evening, I always go hunt some grass. We do cut and carry same way. Yeah man, so we cut the grass and store it. So yes, some people. Yeah man, so I always use the pumpkin. Yeah man, we use it and feed the goat them same way. There is nothing like on the farm on an early morning. Very nice movements, you know. I'm gonna tell you, so the goat them love a pumpkin. Yeah, so them here is some, we have some mixed breed and also some common goat. Some of them they mix with the Nubian. Yeah, because you know, so the common goat them kind of love the weather. They can manage the weather and everything. So I mostly go with the common goats them because they can manage the weather. But I normally mix them with the Nubian. I don't raise straight Nubian. I always mix it because it's more stronger for me, easy to maintain. Yeah man, can see goat them love the pumpkin and everything, you know. So here is the crack corn. So I'm gonna give the mother goat them here. Normally feed them on the crack corn. And also Them call it then the bag feeding, like gura. So here's some people, so I break them into eating these type of feeding because normally them always use like just eat grass alone, so I kind of break them to eat the bag feeding and also crack corn. So you have a lot of nutrients. Yeah man, so it's nothing like when you're on the farm. You can pick a jelly same time. Fresh off of the farm, you know. Yeah man, so this is where I have some plant my own grass. So this is some hybrid corn. This is organic, 100% organic. So what I use to spray my corn, I use cayenne pepper and also neem leaf. Yeah, you know, so the goat them kind of love corn. So normally when I reap out the corn, I always use the corn trash and give the goats. So there's a lot of things we can do in farming. Now if you get up and buy feeding every day, just farm something so the animal them can get to eat also. Yeah, you don't know you're gonna have a little pesticide or a little worm now and then, but 100% organic. Way to go. Yeah man, so when I finish reap out them corn here now, kinda use it to feed the goat. Use the corn trash to feed the goats. So my people, I love what I do. I love farming. So always remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, you know. So keep on watching. So I'm gonna take you all to where I do plant some pumpkins. So nothing like riding a bike in the country, you know. Country life sweet on a bike. So when you're in the country you want to make some fast move, you just ride the bike, you know. See you, Joe. Yeah man, so these are the fast movements in the country when you ride the bike. Get around very fast, no traffic. So you don't know always have a bike on the farm same way. Yeah man, so the company farm, I don't know a lot of banana trees and stuff. Yeah, so my people say when you can plant a banana sucker every day, by the end of the year you see how much banana you're gonna have. So right here we have some lime. You know lime, you know. Morning time, make a nice cup of tea with the lime bush and everything. Yeah man, and also you can use the lime and squeeze it in the hot water and give you a nice lime tea in the morning. So yeah man, so you can plant up a banana them. So just a country life, you know. So this is an area, kind of burn that area because I do some organic farming on this side. Yeah man, so you see it, when you're the country, the Swiss up and everything, you know. Some of them call it, I think them call it sugar apple in different countries. So, but we Jamaican, we call it Swiss up. Yeah man, I don't know, we have a plum tree, them call it hog plum. Yeah man, so a plum season now in Jamaica, but this one really kind of bear a lot of worms. And I don't normally use chemical on my stuff, I mostly go organic. Yeah man, you know, say a mango season in Jamaica same way. So there is nothing like life in the country, you know, on the farm. So this is where I have a lot of bird peppers. Yeah man, see the bird peppers them? And good for the prostate. Yeah man, the bird peppers. And all over here you have a lot of guinea hen. And you know, so them say guinea hen is good for a sinus. So you can cut up in a guinea hen root and throw it in the alcohol and use it and smell it. They say good for the sinus. Yeah man, also we have breadfruit on the countryside same way. So welcome to the farm. Aki everything sour sap same way. So you can still see some more banana suckers. So I plant a banana sucker every day. So yes, some people don't know say a mango time, you know. Yeah man, so just organic. A mango, you call it mango, yeah, common mango. So yeah man, I don't know say me have a mango on the farm same way. No eat no breakfast, just come on the farm and eat something. If you have something on the farm, just drink a coconut water, eat a mango. So yeah man, so we do it on the farm in Jamaica. Nice life. One life to live, so we're gonna enjoy it on the farm. In the countryside same way, you know. Blessings, you know. Yeah man, see it there? I call him the common mango. Yeah man, see it there? Mango like crazy, my people. Yeah man, so we enjoy it, you know. Yeah man, so also we plant some pumpkins. We plant a lot of pumpkins. Yeah man, so all of these are pumpkins straight back. So just plant something in the country and just watch it grow. Best when you plant your own crop, more organic. Because nowadays you don't know the amount of chemicals people have put on them things. So better to plant your own crop and enjoy it, Because for me, I normally go organic. Best way to go. Organic 100%. It's not a very easy task to go organic because sometimes you lose a lot of crops because sometimes you use some form of organic products and they don't really work for all those worms. So, but for me, it's organic, the way to go. So a lot of pumpkins. Come on, see our next bird pepper here. Come on, see a lot of bird peppers, So thank you guys for watching my channel. True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid. One love and one heart,